Welcome to my channel on YouTube. I am here to present you with this video on YouTube. Enjoy the show. Alright, this is from Dairy Queen, and it's the Grasshopper Mousse Blizzard. It's pie crust, mint flavoring, chocolate chunks, and whipped topping. I'm going to try one. Here it goes. Very good. If you like this video, give me a like. You can also comment on this video, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Check out my social media networks and my blogs. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.